Right guys, welcome back. This is episode, I think this is like part 5 of the KX85 build. I'm currently installing my bearings into the swing arm, and if you are doing the same thing as well, if you're like, I don't know, following along or something, or sometime in the future, you basically want to get this tool, and it's a swing arm bearing tool. Really handy to have. You can get this tool basically anywhere. So yeah, you have a threaded rod that goes all the way across. You want to grease it up before and after use. You got your little washer, thrust bearing, big washer. You got your driver as well, which can be, I've got mine a little bit narrower than the actual bearing itself. You want to pack the inside of the bearing with grease, and then same goes for the inside of the swing arm itself. And then the other side, you got your washer, you got your big washer, and then you got your small little washer at the end. And then you want to, just tighten each side, drive that bearing in, and same goes for the other side as well. Right, so you guys are probably absolutely laughing at me because I've got this the wrong way around. Yeah, don't do what I've just done because bloody hell. That's I've got a lot to learn. I've got a lot to learn. So I have in fact accidentally moved this over too far, because the collar still has to go in and the seals on the ends. So I'm gonna have to push this back in a little bit, and then we've got to put these little collars in, and then them little seals, if you can see them. And let's do this. Right guys, I managed to drive that bearing back a little bit. Now I need to get this collar in. So I need to get that collar in, drive this in, and then where are they? These two seals go on the end of the collar like that. And still on the first one, but like I said, first time for doing this as well, so threaded rod doesn't go through the collar. So I've got myself a socket the same diameter as the collar. So I'm just going to bang this in. Right guys, and there we have it. The first bearing is installed. First bearing installed. I'm going to get this one on real quick. I might film it, I might not. But I will speed up the process so I won't bore you to death if I do film it. So yeah, that's finally in. So this will be for another video, but I managed to get some new tyres for the bike. There's a crack in the old one somewhere. I was just like, if I'm rebuilding the whole thing, well, except from the engine of course, I might as well get some new tyres. Looking mint. Don't need a new sprocket because this one's actually in good nick. Cleaned up the axle bolt, new bearings in this one as well. Cleaned up the disc. And another video for those. So right guys, that is going to be the end of the video. This has been the installation of the swing arm bearings. Again, if you haven't used this, if you haven't got this tool, go get it. You can get it anywhere. Again, it's not rocket science. You just need the right tools on doing the job properly. You don't want to be smacking the new bearings in with a socket. You want to get the job done nicely. And I will see you in the next video.